Hey everyone, it's Janome Man, aka Michael Smith, and I am back to show you these fabulous aero chairs. Ooh, these are the ones with the wooden legs. These are not the hydraulic ones. I demonstrated those in another video, but these have wooden legs, and some of them have this cute little scallop detail. Like, isn't that adorable for your sewing room? Now again, ooh, look at all the beautiful varieties that you can get. Ooh, how about this fabulous blue? And the cute bright buttons print. There's so many different prints that you can get available with your fabulous aero chairs. And like always, these are super simple to assemble. Now there's only two pieces, the back and the seat. But when you open the seat, ooh, this is the secret treasure chest to aero. All your other parts, the hardware and the wheels, will be in the little secret compartment here. So make sure when you unbox your chair, you look for all the tools. That's where they are. So you're going to flip this over, and you're going to find the instructions as well. Very important to make sure you have all the parts and pieces identified in your little bag here. And then these wheels, you're going to just screw in very easily, finger screw them in, and then you go back and you take your little wrench that comes included to tighten them up. So this you're just going to easily put in little by little by little to screw them in, and then again you're going to come back with your little wrench that comes included in the little baggie here, and then that is going to help tighten up the wheels. So done, super simple. Then you flip your chair over and you're ready to put the back on. So you'll need to lift up the seat here and then find in your little baggie over here, you're going to find your big gold bolts here and the little nut and then the locking washer, and you're going to put through the big long bolt. You're going to put it through, and with a flathead screwdriver or the Phillips head screwdriver, that's the one with the star head on it, then you're going to use that to hold the big long screw in place. Take your little lock washer, put that on, then take your little gold nut there on the end, and I just again finger tighten that in. Take your little wrench to hold that gold nut into place, and then I can turn that screw nice and tight. What I love about having this little secret compartment with the aero chairs, again, after I'm done assembling my chair, I always put the tools back in the seat there, so that way over time, if anything comes loose, I can tighten it up right away, and again, have hours of sewing ahead of me with a very comfortable chair. In fact, I use aero chairs in place of a regular office chair at my desk when I'm sitting at my computer, because this lumbar support is just where you need it. It's so comfortable. So these fabulous aero chairs are available from your fabulous Janome Dealer. Happy sewing!